everyone. Embarking, glad to showcase today a special and final episode. His thoughts, outlook, and with us, Mr. PC Kanpal, MD and CEO, SBI General Insurance. Hello, Mr. Kanpal. I'm glad to welcome you to this episode of Insurance Talks, a special
Hi.
episode to embark Insurance Awareness Day, falling on 28th June. With your long-tail experience across the BFSI domain, it will be insightful to hear your point of view on various aspects of securing finances with insurance. And to start this episode, here is my first question to you. Insurance has been under-penetrated segment in India. What are your views to increase the awareness and thereby penetration?
Thank you, Shefali, and hi to all. To begin with, let us understand how insurance penetration is arrived at. It is calculated as percentage of insurance to the GDP. And 2021, India's insurance penetration 1% includes the life insurance as well, has steadily increased to 3.76% in 2019. The figures are available up to 19 only. However, it is still much below the global average of 7.23%. The survey has also highlighted that the penetration in India in non-life segment is as low as 0.97. Factor is to understand the challenges so as to the barriers for not buying insurance. Larger part of population finds insurance to fathom. They rely one-on-one interaction intermediaries that placing their is not beneficial, do not claim. They are looking for return on investment. A huge part of India also does not have ready access to insurance related information. So they do not know about what are the products, what are the benefits, which perils it covers. So first and foremost thing which is required for increasing penetration is to simplify the concept of insurance to the people. We should make the insurance products, processes, and claim processes understandable. That will bring the real. Once the goal of simplification is achieved, the need is to increase the reach of awareness exponentially across online and offline platforms. And today, digital makes it possible. And I don't think that we should have any problem in that. So if I sum up, we should adopt three-pronged approach. First thing we should do is to simplify insurance. Second thing is that we should invest in awareness drive. And third thing is about training and increasing the reach of intermediaries. And this all will be possible if we use technology for increasing our reach across the nook and corner of the country. Huge potential. Most of the part of India is underpenetrated, and in order to contribute to government and our regulator they are taking big steps to support insurers and for creating insurance awareness.
Moving on, let's go to the next question. What are your views in terms of the overall insurance industry from what it is today compared to what it was a decade back?
So, Sefali, you see that industry has witnessed a drastic change in terms of operating environment, in terms of products, in terms of distribution network, and also this is driven by the customer behavior and expectations. And I need not say that technology plays a major role in spreading this or bringing this change. While the penetration levels are very low, the industry in the 7, 8, 10 years had been recording consistent growth. Today, the market is a lot more competitive than it was 10 years ago. We are operating in a competitive environment, becoming a big. Definitely, the industry has evolved in terms of products because today insurers are focusing on more customized, more personalized insurance solutions. Distribution network, if you look at, apart from equipping the traditional partners with knowledge, technology, and analytics, insurers are also looking at innovative channels. They are investing heavily in InsurTech to increase reach and improve cost efficiency. The entire value chain of insurance, of buying and selling, has undergone a drastic change. Today, insurers are more focused on listening to what customers want and meet their needs rather than pushing and creating need in them. Technology, all these, all the things about are being supported by technology, and technology disruption has made the processes a lot easier. It is helping in making the products easily be understandable by the customer, and the entire journey becomes seamless. So if I say in a nutshell, it has changed the complete environment of how business was being operated 10 years back.
And that brings us to the last question of this set. With the current pandemic situation, which insurance products are most significant and for an Indian economy?
So the COVID-19 has brought the need of a need of protection on health part, means the need for securing our health to the forefront. Like never before, awareness about the health insurance has increased manifold. And we are observing a change in customer behavior today. They themselves are coming forward and asking for health insurance. There are more increased inquiries about this. Apart from the evident impact on the health and the need for comprehensive health cover, there is requirement of covering the small businesses. If you look at the government has also promoted this during this time, made mandatory for all SMEs to buy the group insurance or health insurance for their employees. These were affected during the last year, and the need for securing their employees insurance got highlighted. The increased absenteeism due to COVID-related fears and the treatment cost-related fears, etc. The other aspect that the pandemic has stressed upon is the importance of products and features that are accessible to customers from the safety of their homes. So digital played a major role, like digital submission of documents, remote investigations through technology, teleconsultations in case of the person falling sick or requiring medical attention, etc. So these were the added things which have been during the, or which are the lessons which we learned during the COVID period.
Thank you, sir. I guess that's a lot of learning for the viewers also. And that brings us to switch the section to rapid. And in this rapid fast-paced one, and we expect responses in 1 or 2 words. So here's the first question to you. 3 words you associate with insurance.
If you ask me, I'll associate security, protection, and necessity.
Absolutely right, sir. And at what age did you buy your first insurance?
Oh, I was very young, 21, I think. Yeah.
Which was the product did you buy?
I bought life insurance because that time it was more for investment purposes than really covering the life. And so I bought a life insurance that was endowment policy, I remember.
So moving on to the next question, the most important product you think in the current situation?
Oh, health, of course.
The last question is basically, imagine a hypothetical situation wherein you are given limited money and you are given two choices to buy only one. One is health insurance and the second is an 80% travel deal. Which one would you pick?
Yeah, of course, health insurance. Travel is totally, I think, now stopped during the current situation, and more anxiety here is for protecting your health.
Well, absolutely fine. So that brings us to the end of this episode, sir. Thank you so much for coming for this episode and giving us so much of insightful information. So thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Shefali. Pleasure was mine. Thank you. Bye.